Christmas is officially silly season. It is the busiest month of the year. It's just keeping it all together, keeping the ship sailing in the right direction, right number of staff, produce. Then there's always a glitch somewhere and it's figuring out how to get it fixed. From about the last week of November, the pace picks up and you know you're not going to have the quiet days here and there to catch up. So it always means that you just got to be probably in a little bit earlier and work a little bit harder and faster. Usually you've got like a quiet Monday, and you don't get a quiet Monday anymore in December, so it's full on. London is a great place for fresh produce, but not everything comes from London. We use small holdings that we have farms out in Gloucestershire and Wales where we get our pork and our lamb from. Scallops coming down overnight on the train from Scotland, from Celtic. So it comes in from everywhere. As long as there's no snow, we're good. I think in London the Christmas season is bigger than other European cities, and that's probably because of the size of the commercial sector of London. There's just that many more Christmas parties, office parties, thank you meals to be done, and it all happens around Christmas.